Let's discuss the relationship between grammar knowledge and fluency in second language reading. So we'll look at what is grammar knowledge and how we can help students develop this knowledge of the grammar in order to become fluent readers in this module. Okay, so just a step backward, let me just refresh you what is fluency in second language reading. Learning to read fluently in second language specifically means that the students are at ease or are automatic in terms of recognizing words or group words, and they can decode sentence patterns, and they can process the sentences and their meanings quickly and faster. So this is how fluency in second language reading is not easy and straightforward process. Rather, it involves a lot of steps, and it doesn't come overnight because it involves a lot of time and effort on the part of the readers and on the part of the teachers, because it encourages students to be open to new methods of learning. It encourages teachers to try some innovative methods which promote confidence, which promote motivation amongst students. So amidst these debates, the rules of grammar is a taxing issue, because it's the area where students feel much more perplexed, or they're much more confused, and students they might be investing a lot of efforts to grapple with to cope with the grammatical complexity involved in reading. So in this regard, it's important that the one straightforward strategy appears to be just teaching explicitly the rules of the grammar to the students. Does it help, or does it works otherwise? So fluent readers, they can process sentences with increasing speed, competence, and automaticity. On the other hand, non-fluent readers may not be easy in terms of recognizing sentence patterns, or their competence in second language reading skills may be less than fluent readers. So what is important is just to expose to the students to grammar or the syntax of text which is below their technical understanding of second language. The rationale is that if the level is higher than students' level of understanding, then the student might be tempted to make use of translation, or they may be thrown back to using dictionaries, and their fluency may be hampered. And one important thing in this regard is the role of the teacher, that the teacher can help students familiarize with graded readers series which are published by different publishers, because graded readers help students move on gradually from simple to complex structures. For example, level 1 in graded readers contains, as I have already discussed this in some of the previous modules, contains 500 head words which students internalize and move on, and level 2 contains 600, and similarly level 3 contains 700, so that students, while so their grammatical complexity is not too much higher than students' current knowledge of the grammar. So grammatical competence is very important, and in this regard we need to ensure that we introduce items which are not too not too new to the students, and which are few, and which students can internalize, and their grammar competence or their grammar knowledge is enhanced. So the relationship between fluency in reading, second language reading, and grammar knowledge is very, very key. And if we want to make our students fluent readers, we need to enhance their grammatical competence. How we can enhance their grammatical competence? As we have seen in this module, the role of the teacher is all the more important to exposing students to materials which are not far too above their current level of the language.